Hello friends, welcome to WP Glossy YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to tell how to create a contact form using WP Forms and also how to do the PayPal payment integration in that specific contact form. Let's get into the video. First, you have to install the WP Forms WordPress plugin. After installing and activating the plugin, you will be able to see its settings options in your WordPress dashboard. As I'm going to create a new form, I'm clicking the Add New option. Now you will be redirected to a settings page of WP Forms, and there you should select your preferred template type from several choices, and here I'm choosing the blank form as I'm going to create the contact form from scratch. You will be visiting a page that is split into two sections. One is the field section and another one is the form building section. Let's start building the contact form. Here I'm dragging and dropping the name file section, and you can edit it by clicking this button. All options are showing on the left side, so you can change as per your requirement: first name, last name, or you can add a middle name or just name only in the form. Next, I'm going to add an email field. Click this button, you can edit. If the email field is mandatory in the contact form, then you have to choose the option required. So your visitors can't submit this form without this email field. So the next one is the number field. It is to contact a particular person. You can mark this field also as required. So I'm naming this as contact number, and you can mark it as required. The next one is I'm moving to add a payment field. There are many payment fields available here, single, multiple. I will explain these payment settings in the upcoming videos. Here I'm going to add a single item. The purpose of choosing a single item is either for donation or the client will pay a certain amount as a fee for a product or service. If you select a single item, then you can set the price. So your customer will pay the amount that you have fixed and they can't change the price. So I'm naming it as payable amount or donation amount. So suppose if it's a donation form, then you should select the user defined option in that particular section. Now the user can change the amount. So if it is a donation form, then they can contribute the amount they want. Set the price as 0. In the description, you can just mention like the minimum fee to a maximum amount like this. And don't forget to mark as required. Then only they can submit the form. Next, I'm going to add a paragraph field for the users to leave the message through the contact form. I'm just dragging and dropping the paragraph field to the contact form. It's just a normal contact form, and there I've added the payment option. In this tutorial, I have enabled only single payment system, and you may wait for my future videos where I'll be explaining multiple payment methods. I've marked the payment field required and now changing the text of the description file that I've included. Click the edit button to change the text label, and here I'm changing it as messages. So the simple contact form is ready with the payment integration, and now I'm saving this form. just click save. After you save, don't forget to set the payment method by clicking payments and select PayPal standard. After choosing this option, add your PayPal email address so whenever the customers make the payments, they will reach your PayPal account. Leave the other fields if you don't want, they are not essential. Click save and close the form. Once you close the created form, it will be automatically redirected to the all forms section. You can see the form that I've created, and that too with the short codes like this. Now copy the short code and go to pages, add new. You may also paste the short code in the existing page, no issues. Here I am creating a new page for demo purposes. So I'm just adding the title of the page as contact form with PayPal payment integration, and pasting the short codes of the contact form. So now I'm publishing the page and it goes live. I'm opening the form in a new window to view the page. See, my form is ready now. I'm just filling up all the fields given here, like my name, email, phone number, payment amount, and a message. So after filling all these fields, I'm submitting the form. As I need to make the payment, the form is redirecting me to the PayPal website, and there I should log in and send the payment. So your visitors will do it just like me, and we have done creating the contact form with PayPal payment integration. Thanks for watching the video.